Welcome to another connectivity training module. This one is about Intercomm 0, also called IC0. In this module, we demystify IC0 and show how easy it is to use. We will see how its packets are constructed. We will see the different types of packets. It is assumed that you know about comms. You can connect to a printer with a controller and are fluent in the hexadecimal numbering system. IC0 is available on the A-Series Plus and A-Series iTech printers via port 700, which cannot be changed. A-Series AX inkjet printers also have it via a configurable port from 700 to and including 705. It's only available via Ethernet TCP/IP. Let's have a look at the packet construction. As with any protocol, the first thing we need to know is how is the packet constructed. With IC0, this is very easy. There's a message type, there is a command, and there is a payload. That is it. Very easy. Originally, the second byte was to be used for a specific task, but that was abandoned, so today the 01 for the second byte is included with the message type. So our message type is 2 bytes, the command is 2 bytes, the payload can be 0 to NN depending on the command. Let's look at the IC0 message types. Again, very easy. Very few rules. If I want to get something from the printer, I send 0401 and the printer replies 0501. If I want to set something, I send 0601 and it replies 0901. If I want to activate a feature, which is a do activity, make the printer do something, it's 0701. And the reply is either 0901 or 0801. And that is it. It's as easy as that. Packets are synchronous, which means you send one and you wait for the answer before sending another. If you send more than one, you do not know which answers come to which packets if they're all for the same command. IC0 commands. All commands are 2 bytes. But be careful because some commands might be used for more than one activity. Let's explain in an example. This is only an example. A command used to perhaps get the ink temperature could be 034A. The same command may also be used to activate the pump. This is where the first byte comes in. The 04 would mean a get and the 07 an activate, but the command may be the same command. Let's look at the payload. The payload can vary in its size and is dictated by the command. Some common items you'll find in the payload: head number, SGB number, print engine number, and we might find we have decimals that you have to convert into floating point hexadecimal numbers. So be very careful of that. Also when you're decoding them. If you haven't done that before, I did create an app. It's in the tool shed to allow you to convert these easily. Details of the full comms commands and payloads can be found in the protocol document for IC0. Let's have a look at some examples. This is an IC0 get command, and it's a very easy to understand example. So the get command, command 0003. So for a get, the message type is 0401 and the command is 0003. There is no payload. It's as simple as that to send this one. It returns 0501 with the command, and 3 more bytes, meaning the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. Let's look at a set command, just as easy as the get command. Set date and time, the command is 01A6. So we set, and according to the documentation, we send down this structure, and the printer will reply to us with a 0901 and a parameter of 00, which means a success. Let's look at an activate example. So for activate, we're going to send a software print go. The command is 0011. So to activate a 0701, the parameter here is not used, so it's just set to 00. Reply to the activator 0901 and the parameter being 05, which is a success. Hope you found that interesting and can see how easy it is to use Intercomm 0, and hope to see you again on some of the other training modules.